Hello, all you guys and girls out there in the eBay reselling world. It is I, the turkeyfordwolfman, Wolfman, coming back at you with what sold Tuesday morning. It's not raining, but it's going to. Oh my, we forgot some really good sales. Yes. First things first, my beautiful wife outsold me by $8.74. So good job, honey. She's got the trophy. It's not here. We went to a thrift store and found a board game. It's worth a little bit of money. And I think this is made in Korea. It is. It's a vintage Easter coffee cup. Had to buy that for $1. I hadn't tested this guy. We'll have to send him across the hill. But yeah, he walks. So I thought that was pretty good right there. All of that needs to go over there. Maybe, maybe not. Let's list it here in a little bit. Let's put it over here in the pile. All right. So I'm signed into my wife's account, and she has 7 offers totaling $198.05. Let's send them out. 20% off. You got to make them buy it, you know. Hey, it works. So a $22 I don't know what that is. It's a long sleeve cardigan. It's like a shirt, jacket, sweater. Yeah, sweater. So $22 went to $17.60. But if we make $2 on shipping, that puts it back at $19. So it's really like just knocking $3 off. Everybody feels good, you know. 20% off. Cent. Gone. Now let's ship her items. She sold 1 item on this lovely Tuesday, totaling $25.68. Let's click on it so we can see it better. Blues right there. New Xena premium long sleeve top. Yes, it's black and blue and white. Ooh, it's blue, white, black. I don't know. She got $16 for it, and it's going to the Jones family in Florida. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Look at that. Man, she's got it vacuum sealed in there. I don't know how she does that. Thank you card. Okay. $10.91. $10.92. Be safe. 10 ounces. So, you want to watch a good video? Watch yesterday's because I was so energetic. I'm like all over the place. This is day 2 of back to work. All right. Ground Advantage, $4.81. And for example, they gave me $8. So, you know, you give out 20% discounts. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Oh, my. No more orders. Yeah. Today, not so energetic. Must not have slept good. I don't know. Well, let's sign out here. I know what'll get me going. A good but yet bad dad joke. What is an astronaut's favorite part of a computer? The spacebar. You're quite welcome. These are the teacher's favorite dad jokes. That's a new site that I found this morning. Switching account. Yes. Oh, I've added another item to the shelf up here because we sold something yesterday. Maker's Mark. Got the wax on it. It's pretty cool. Maker's Mark glass. So we'll set that up there. I wish somebody would buy this big dude right here. Oh my goodness. See, he's in the chair. So sorry. Oh yeah. I'm going back and forth. Yes. He takes up so much space. His tail does not come off, but hey, I'll give you a deal on shipping. You know? All that moves. He sits around in the way. Just trying to figure where to put him. I could hang him with some fishing line right in this area. Stay up there for years. Oh, I got a green light. Continue. So actually, my payout was $7 and some odd cents more than hers. But then she reminded me that she bought some $16 inserts to go in her Hey Dudes. I don't know if she's reselling them. Can't remember. But once I added the $16, she outsold me. It's only fair. Yeah, I knew she'd do it. What do I got? One item? No. You got one notification. 7. The little green guy hasn't been paid for yet. He was on offer. It's okay though. I've waited a week before. It's no big deal. It's not like I'm in a hurry to sell this stuff. Orders. Done sent my offers out. I've sold a couple things this morning. I actually sold this in the last hour. It's the prints that were sent back to me because they said they didn't match the ones they had. As in size, they were smaller. And they mailed them back to me and I relisted them. Promoted it 3%. And they sold just a little while ago. Oh look. I've sold 7 items. Totaling $208.93. That deserves a pat on the back. Back rub. Good job, Chad. Let's go ahead and ship that out. In the original box that it was sent back in. So there's 4 of these 1983 prints. American Homestead. Can't really see it. I don't think I'll take it out. But they're just Prince Homestead. Let's see here. Is that where I had it? That's where I had it. Good old LP record box. Okay, that. Thank you card. Oh my goodness. See there? I'm telling you. 2 days of not shipping. Well, I shipped last Friday. And then yesterday, so it's 2.5 days over the weekend. And I just don't know how to act. I'm just all out of my system. Ground advantage. I know that part. Yeah, that's right. All right. Billy gave me $19.83 for these 4 prints because they're from 1983. Thank you so much, Billy. And he lives in West Virginia. Put these in here. We like reselling stuff here at Wolfman's Goodies. My wife, Melissa, she doesn't get many returns. And that's a good thing. Because she does sell a lot of clothes now. So she's got that figured out. I don't know. If I had a tape dispenser, I'd probably knock it off on my foot. I'll just do this. Yes. Cover that up. Fragile? Why not? You got them. 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 1. Oh, yeah, it's on 12 ounces. Let's go 14 one way. Be safe. I did stretch it a little. And it's $5. Made $1.30 on the shipping there. That's why you get a $10.99 from eBay. And it includes shipping and all. And you got to keep up with your shipping, which is on the app. And you got to minus that off your $10.99. Oh my goodness. Next item. Yeah. No. Nah. I'm not gonna say that one. Why are you so far away? Let's get closer. Get a little closer. Oh, okay. So I got this at my favorite Goodwill. It's over there. Recently. And I took an offer. They sold within a day or two. Super Bang ring caps. There's 3 of them with 320 pops in each pack. It's Ja Rule 1996. It's missing 1 ring in the title. I got $18 for it. It's going to Collins in Kentucky. Thank you so much, Collins. We appreciate you. Yeah. Some of that. Oh, it was 99 cents back in 1996. If you had a whole locker full of them. That's for your cap guns. And I got a box for this. Oh, I don't have boxes for that. What is that? Buzz Light Bear. Oh my. I'm with you. Be proactive. What is that? I don't know where that bag came from. We're gonna use it there. Keep the oh, does somebody sabotage my gun or something at night? They come out here and loosen this. The Enderman must be doing it when he's moving from here to there. Because I know I'm not picking it up that fast. I tightened it up so it's not falling out. Whatever. Is a word that I shouldn't use. That's kind of negative. Thank you card. Can't remember. Put another one. That's my new phrase. Can't remember. It'll go away eventually. 8.6. 10 ounces. Oh, that's what I got set on. Oh, my phone's moving all by itself. 10.64. $5. Made enough to pay for the box. Those arrived pretty quick. Just in time. I'm using 2 or 3 of them today. Yes. Oh my. Disney refillable souvenir mug It's pink. It's got Buzz Lightyear. It's a Pixar Walt Disney World. Oh, Walt Disney World. It's awesome. It's going in the same box. Not this box. So maybe those are in the way. That's a tripping hazard right there. There it is. It's not from Carowinds. We seen one of those at the Goodwill that way that we don't like that much, and I put it back on the shelf. They had $4 on the Snoopy, and his red hat says Carowinds. Got the straw coming up. Missing the straw. I might would have bought it if it had the straw, the red one, kinky one. But I put it back because it's only selling for like $10. You know, you can't do that. I probably gave 50 cents for this, but it's got cars on it. Cars is hot, you know. And you can just turn this one. You don't need a straw. Walt Disney World. $4.95. It's going to Julie in Florida. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, Julie. Oh, my. I think I got a couple of 20% off buyers, repeat buyers today. That right there is working out pretty good. Let's tie that into a bow tie. Thank you card. Check. Yeah. Had to shake it up there. 10 ounces. Hey, it's the same measurements. Wow. Going up. Stayed the same. We made enough to pay for the box plus $1. I believe I did. Purchase shipping label. Grounded vintage. Why are elevator jokes so classic and good? They work on many levels. You are welcome. Don't forget to tip your waitress or waiter. That. And some of that. Alright, V for Vendetta mask. Adult guy. Halloween costume. DC Comics. It's a mask. I accepted an offer of $15 from Oscar. And Guantanamo Bay? I don't know. No, it's Florida. Thank you so much, Oscar. We appreciate you. He's getting that right there. And we got all them new ones. New in the pack. Gold, silver, and all. Yes. This is how you ship out and sell on eBay. Can you hear me now? And that is going to go in. I knew it. I was supposed to put the cup in that one. Back, I tell you. Make up another 10.64. There. Thank you, card. Boy, this gonna be light. Oh, you're saying put it in a bubble mailer? Believe I wouldn't. See, he fits in there so nice. Like it's like some of the hats you gotta form them in there. Oh no, his nose is busting. That's not good. What'd I do? I don't know either. Wow, I'm gonna have to order more boxes, and I just got these last week. Well, I mean, they arrived yesterday, but I ordered them last week. What in the world? Safety third. I just thought it'd be cool to wear that with the hard hat on the job site. It's like, what is that guy doing? He doesn't talk much. So now we're gonna Frankenbox it. So we need to bend the corners a little bit. Just a little up in there. I should cut this box. It's the first time I've had to Frankenbox these. Oh, very interesting. Push in the corner right there. Get it to slide on down. Alright, oh, it's catching that corner. I don't want it flopping around much. I feel good about that. I believe I do. Now I got $2. I mean, $1 in this box. $8. So it's going to be 10, 8. We'll round up 10, 8, 7. Keep everybody happy. 10 ounces. 10, 8, 7. 488 going up. Nope, stayed the same. I'm just out another 50 cents for a box. It's okay though. All right, print. Next item. There it is. Happy little box. Oh, get over there. I don't know. Really? DirecTV HD satellite receiver. It's a H23-600 with a power cord. No remote. Tested good. I believe I got it in the pictures where it's saying hello. You know, it's in the next stage screen. I got $20 for it. It's going to Ronnie and MO. Thank you so much, Ronnie. We appreciate you. Yes, we do. He's getting that right there. Yes. Got it all back there. Ethernet, HDMI, yellow, red, white, and blue. We just don't have a box for that. Let's play around with the shipping. I want to use a priority box. Oh, it's set to priority mail. Buyer selected. $7.47. 5 pounds. Won't get in that. Won't go in that. What was I thinking? Using 2 of these? Well, technical difficulties. Oh, there's a box. Here, there you go. Winston Gold. Yeah. That'll work. Oh, look at that. Good old wax paper. Make it rain, Chad. Newspapers. Huh. That and that. I feel good about it. Get you down in there. He's gonna be like, I didn't order no cigarettes. What is this? Not Wolfman, something else. Oh, I like that. Extra pieces of cardboard. All types. Put that on the front. This in the back with the cord. Now we need something for the sides. I like to use cardboard on the electronic devices. Pack it in there, fold it up. You make an accordion. Like that. It's kind of springy, you know what I mean? Now what? Let's tape a thank you card. Oh my. Fourth quarter's starting off pretty good here. Oh, we got the Labor Day weekend flea market yard sales. Maybe I'll get to go to them. Nah, probably not. Alright. Papers? Got sidetracked. There are 2 yard sales I got on my calendar that I'm gonna attempt to go to. August 17th. Box resizer, the Ninja Star. Oh yeah, check it out. Yes, it'll stab you. Unpack that. Flip it up. Let it roll. Oh, get that out of the way. Push that down. I'm opening it. What did I buy? Oh, I got a DirecTV receiver. I got one just like this. Why would I purchase this? Ooh, that went up in the air. I'm learning. I mean, it is a wheel. It's very complicated. Then we'll cut the corners. I need to get that yellow book from Ollie's that says box resizers for dummies. Put that in my bathroom so I can read it. Study up. Get more professional here. I'm gonna break these in half. Yes. Yes, I am. Put that up front. Because it was sticking up too high. Now I'm going to do that. Put that up front. There, I feel good. There you go. Put some of that back. Where's this thing going? M.O. Missouri. I think M.T.'s Montana. I still hadn't took time to print out all the states. Oh, there's a piece of paper. One day I'll have it up there. 10,000 pounds of tape. I got this box this week at the old gas station. Got a couple of them. Worked out good. Come here. Alright. I'm telling you. Am I going too fast? I sees it. Technical difficulties. Oh, where's the old steak knife at? What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. Oh yeah. Days later. Must slow down. I'm good on time. Yeah, 10:30. 2 items left. I got the brakes on it a little too hard. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Why does sticky tape want to stick to you? Aggravation. Slow. I don't have a permit to ship cigarettes. What am I thinking? Oh, well, it was fine while it lasted. I'll just help my wife list on her eBay. Oh, we got a... What in the world? We got one more in. 18, 12, 5. Always round up. 18, 12, 5. 6 pounds. Always going up. 18, 12, 5. No, you know, ground advantage doesn't care. Priority mail. Wow, it went up a little. What is ground advantage? It's $2 more. So it's a winner. Priority mail won this time. Basically $8 to ship that to wherever MO is. And we get to, we get to do our job right. Slowly move the tape gun. We got to tape this in. There. That's good stuff. Somebody steals it thinking it's a carton of cigarettes. Oh my. Print. Next. There it is. 2 Fenton Cobalt Blue Glass Daisy and button cat head shoe slippers. Oh, I forgot to put an S on it. Slipper. There's 2 there. There you go. Priority mail in a regular box. Yeah. These are neat. Oh, repeat buyer. Bear Country in Colorado. Purchased these for $24.84 because I think they're from 1984 apparently. Oh yeah, they got the cat head on them. Yep. Oh, hello. Can you please bubble wrap and pack really good and ship them right out away? They're a gift. Thank you so much. And it didn't say do not put an invoice or a thank you card or whatever. They call us a cat head. So some of them, you know, they're just slippers like that. But then when it has that on it, it's a cat head. If that makes any sense at all. Oh, I got 2. Oh, it's the right pair. Look at that. We need light. Is that better? Make them glow. Where's American Bubble Boy when you need him? He's in the bed asleep, making money while we're working. Oh my goodness. Thank you card. Dun, 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 dun. American Bubble Boy. Wrap them really good. Hey, it's only money. There. Oh my goodness, I've got to buy bird seed when I get my payout tomorrow. That and buy some new mics. Yeah, be proactive. Just have it in the drawer here and forget about it and order some new ones when these die. You know, like I take them in the swimming pool or something. Yeah, that's awesome. There's actual bear country in Mount Airy. It's a gift store, antiques, whatnot. That's pretty cool. They're a repeat buyer, unless I'm mistaken. Thought they was in California though, but I do get mixed up all the time. Hey, I got a box. Oh yeah, look at that. This one's got the extra 5 cent worth of bubble wrap on it. Oh, and the thank you card. Oh, that noise is so irritating. What do you think? Not gonna put a fragile sticker on it. That's not our policy. We only put fragile stickers on non-fragile things like vinyl records. We just don't want them bent up. I've got tape on 2 pieces of my hand, and that's not normal. What in the world is going on this week? Oh, that's heavy. 1 pound, 6 ounces. Let's say 8. Oh, I got it on 1 pound 8. Oh, it's just print. Yeah. Ground advantage. You know, I've only sent one thing to Rhode Island in the last 4.5 years, and that was recently. And the reason why I bring that up out of the blue is which state has the most streets? Rhode Island. Tidy up, getting ahead of myself. Next item. It's a TV. What do they got, Johnny? You're bidding on a TV. It's a 1992 television, 12 volt. Emerson portable color TV. Is it really color? It is. It's got the red, green, and blue up there, and I did test it. It's a AM FM radio, and it tested good. Oh, my son Mason sold this. That's right. It come from the mini warehouse. Right down to pay him. He's making that insurance money now that he's driving. 829, somewhere in there. Yes, portable TV. And we'll just do the total for now. $29.61. He must have thought it was from 61. Oh, that's a 20% off coupon. I believe it is. That's not an offer. Nobody's gonna offer me 61 cents at the end. Ooh, repeat buyer. It's going to Dirk in PA. Thank you so much, Dirk. We appreciate you. So he basically made $15 right there. Alright. And I don't have a box for that either. So he picked ground advantage. Yes, okay. Aha! I like that now. It's at $10 right now. US priority mail. It went up 45 cents. So I'm going to save a 50-cent box, and I'm going to use a priority mail free box. I believe I am. We need to bubble wrap it. Oh, you want to look at it? There you go. Looky, looky. I've got a cookie. 12 volt AC cord comes with it. Oh, you got adjustments? Yeah, got some of that. Put your big old batteries in there. Oh, you got the little flip down. Yeah, we typically sell and mail these overseas to where they're still using analog somewhere over there. Alright. That's taped up really good. I want to double box this in a cigarette box that I don't have. I'll have to go get. Aha. Oh, looky, brother. We just need a bigger box. I got some bubble wrap here. I don't know. Maybe a mattress, something, some kind of device. That's a bag. Oh, we can double it up. Scissors or knife? Scissors? I don't know. Yeah, we have to get a bigger box. We'll just wrap this thing like crazy. It is a classic, and we don't want it to be damaged. And, you know, them tubes has got to warm up. You don't want to jar them old tubes from the 1950s, or it won't work. Yes, I just said that. I did. Yeah. Oh, we're going in circles all around. Put that on the front. Tape gun. Slow. Don't pick it up so fast that the roll of tape goes flying. There you go. And then we take the mega stuff and we just roll it around here. See how that works out great. People donate material to us. Don't need that. And now I got 4 times as much for next time. Just nowhere to put it. Nowhere to put it. Get back on the shelf. There you go. Alright. Watch it not go in the box now. But it can go that way. That's just that. It's 1/8. I don't know. Get my glasses on. It's 1/8. I don't trust that. By the way, this video has been brought to you by North Carolina, because that's where we're at. It's a hat that's got part of the North Carolina map on it. Oh, and it needs a lint rollage. Hey, it's USA. That's pretty sweet. Snap back. Hey, it says made in the USA. Maybe I'll get a little bit for that. That should be on later today. Man. Alright. Found a box. Hershey's chocolate. It's a thick box. Alright. Easy does it, baby. Oh, I feel good about that. Oh, let's don't forget the power cord and the thank you card there. There. Okay. Oh, yeah. There. Oh, I feel good about that. Went to sleep. Priority mail. No. Ground advantage. Watch this go way up. It's okay though. As long as it arrives safely, that's all that matters. 14 and a half is going to be 15. 15, 10, 13. $10. $12. That's what they paid us. Now let's see if the pound matters. On ground advantage, I think adding a pound doesn't hurt. You gotta mash that button so I can see. Up against the wall. 9 pounds, 11 ounces. We're gonna change 9 pounds to 10 and watch it go up. Nope. That's the good thing about the ground advantage. Let's go to priority mail. So it's $11.53 and they paid me $12 and some change. US priority mail's $13. That ain't bad. Let's do priority mail. Get there a day or two earlier. Yeah, it's all good. Is this pool safe for diving? It depends. Depends. We're done. I like it. We'll cover that one up. Oh, this went to the store over there. I tell you, I get a lot of boxes over there. They're putting them in a big dumpster that's for cardboard recycling only. You know? We should cover some stuff up. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out Melissa's Thrifty Barn. All them Barbies she's got over there. And she run a sale on all her shoes. And she's got quite a bit of clothing listed. Oh, there's goats. Should we go there and look at the goats? Or is that gonna cost extra? You know what? We're gonna do a fragile sticker. Mainly to help cover up these old existing stickers. But also, I mean, it's not glass, so I'm not really breaking my own policy. Alright. Oh no. Imagine that, rolling out like that. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Have a happy Tuesday. Stay safe. See you on the next one. Bye. In the world, they got a play set. What is this, a daycare? For goats? I want to see them play with one of them balls. They probably jump up there and balance on it. Hit the ball. Oh my goodness. Alright then. See ya.